Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the heart lucky block. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing the shape of the heart. At the top, let's draw a V-shaped point. Then from both sides, let's curve it out. And curve it down. Now from each end, let's bring it down with a straight line. And then let's angle it down, meeting at a point in the center. Now that we have the shape of the body, let's hop in and draw the eyes. Let's start in the center near the top, and we're going to draw 2 lines down, leaving a gap in the middle. Then from the top, we're going to draw the tops of the eyes with 2 bumps out like this. Then from the ends, let's bring it down. Now for the bottom of each eye, let's draw 2 angles down, meeting at a point. Now let's hop inside each eye, and we're going to draw a border. Let's start inside at the top, and let's draw a small line across. And then let's curve it up on each side like this. Now let's bring it down on both ends. And 2 angles down, meeting at a point. And that's it for the border. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a question mark. On the top left, let's bring it up, over to the right, and down. Now from the left, let's bring it in with a small line. And let's draw a curve up, over, and down. Now underneath each line, let's curve it back over to the left. And bring both of them down. And close it off at the bottom. Now underneath, let's leave a small gap, and let's draw a line across. And let's continue it down on both sides. And close it off to form a rectangle. And then let's color each of the inside parts of the eyes in black. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. In the center, let's draw a small line across. Then let's leave a gap and let's draw another line on each side. And then connect them with a U-shaped curve down and back up. Now from both ends, let's add another longer curve down and up on each side. And that's it for the face. Lastly, let's hop out and draw the wings. Let's start on each side near the top and let's draw a curve up and out. Then at the top, let's draw a small line out. And curve it back in, stopping here. Now for the next part of the wing, let's bring it up and curve it down. And another one underneath each side. One more going out and curve it in. Now at the bottom, let's draw a small angle down and then curve it all the way back into the body. And that's it for the heart lucky block. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!